everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk to you about statements, okay? Specifically if and else statements. These statements are used in Python for your code to make decisions, okay? And the best way to explain this is just with pure examples, all right? So here we go. The way to use this is you write if, and now you must write a statement that could be either true or false, okay? So I'm going to write 3 less than 1. Oops, that's not 3 less than 1. Let me give it a second try. 3 less than 1. There we go. Right after that statement, you write your 2 dots. And now under that, you're going to write the code that should run if this statement is true. Okay, in case that this statement is false, it won't run. We know the statement is false. 3 is not less than 1. Okay, but we're going to pretend like we don't know that. Print and double quotations. I'm gonna write here, hello world. There we go, okay? Oops, there you go. So now I'm gonna run it, and then let's see what happens. See? Nothing is going on. Now I'm gonna make the statement true, and then let's see what happens. 3 greater than 1. I'm gonna run it, and there we have it, okay? The code print was executed because the statement after if was true, okay? So that's basically how the if statement works. Now, let's say, I'm gonna keep this now false, the statement, and let's say that I want the code to verify the statement, and if the statement is false, I want the code to print something else. So for example, let's say that now I write else, 2 dots, and I'm gonna write here print hello world, I don't know, 2, okay? So what's gonna happen now is Python's gonna read the if statement, it's gonna verify if this is true or not. If this is true, it's going to then make this happen, the print hello world. If it's false, like in this case, then it's going to jump to the else, and then it's going to print what's on the bottom, okay? Hence the name else. If this is not working, then I'll do this, okay? That's like the logic behind it. So when I run this code, we should see printed here, hello world 2, okay? So let's give that a try. And there you have it, okay? So guys, that's the basics for if and else, okay? I also want to talk to you about something called for, okay, which is a statement used to work with iterations or iteratable objects, okay? It's really difficult for me to say that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of this for now. And I'm going to come up with a list, okay? I'm going to write L equals these special brackets. I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, and 4, like so. And now watch this. I'm going to use for statement. Watch. For. And the way to use for is to write for and then to put after that the object you're going to iterate over. So I'm going to use my list. So I'm going to write for I in L, which means for every element in L, and the elements here are 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? I want the following to happen. I want this this code to print every single one of those elements. I'm going to write print, and I'm going to write my I there, okay? So when I run this code, what should happen is that Python should go to my list and say, okay, L is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you want for each element in L to be printed. So let's see what happens. There you go. Hopefully you can see all of them. I have here 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is effectively all the elements of my list, okay? So that's how you use for. You can do many things with this. For example, if you want to print every single element multiplied by 2, you can. All you have to do is right here, your multiplication symbol and a 2. You reprint this. And now, of course, instead of 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'll have 2, 4, 6, and 8, okay? You can even exponentiate if you wish, which is like so. I'm going to write here a 2. So now I should have 1, because 1 to the second power is 1, 4, 9, and 16. Let's see if that works. I'm going to run it again. And there you have it, 1, 4, 9, and 16, okay? So that's how for works, okay?